Good evening. Ganadhipataye. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, Dejal. Dash, good evening. Happy Navaratri to all. Happy Dasara to all. Only 5 people are joined. Akshay, how many are joined? Thank you. Good evening. Who is Vishwanath? Six are there. Okay. 6 out of 40 है good number, is that right? Vishwanath K from Vijayawada means oh, Kandupur Vishwanath. Okay, good. Good evening, Nikhil. Right. Today we are going to represent a linear equation in one variable in the graph. Linear equation in one variable in the graph. Linear equation one variable ni graph lo పెట్టబోతున్నాం మనం ఇవాళ. But before that we need to convert it into linear equation to variable, then we need to draw the graph. So I will start it now. Ganadhipataye namaha. Suppose there is an equation like this: x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is not a linear equation in two variables. ఇది లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ టూ వేరియబుల్ కాదు, దాంట్లో ఉన్నది ఒకటే వేరియబుల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ వన్ వేరియబుల్, బట్ we can represent it in the form of a linear equation in two variables. We can express it in the general form like this. అలా రాయచ్చా? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చా? ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 ఫామ్ లో చెప్పొచ్చా? Can we do like that? If yes, send your answers. Yeah, 1x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Correct. 1x plus 0y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we need to take the solutions. Is that right? ఇప్పుడు solutions తీసుకోవాలి మనం, అవునా? Solutions తీసుకోవాలి. ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి అంటే దీంట్లో వేరియబుల్ y లేదు. There is no y in this equation. Is that right? No y. But here we inserted y. స్టార్టింగ్ లో లేదు y, ఇక్కడ మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం 0y అని ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం. కాబట్టి you need to give values for y only, not x. Give values for y, different values for y. Okay na? Suppose, see, I am giving 1, -1, 2, -3, like this. I am giving my own values for y. Y కే ఇవ్వాలి, x కి ఇవ్వకూడదు వాల్యూస్. ఎందుకని x కి ఇవ్వకూడదు బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Kindly note it down. Don't give any value for x. Give values for y only. Why? Because in the beginning the equation is given as x plus y is equal to 0. In that there is no y, but we inserted y in it. That means we have to give values only for y. Okay. Now give 1 in the place of y. So x plus 0 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. అంటే x plus 5 is equal to 0. అంటే x is equal to -5. x is equal to -5. ఓకే, లేదా ఇంకోలా చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తానంటే దీన్ని నేను x is equal to -5 రాస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు x plus 0y is equal to -5. అలా అయినా చేయొచ్చు. We can do like that also. Okay children. Now give value 1. 0 into 1 0. X plus 0 x. అంటే x -5. మీకు బాగా అర్థం కావాలి. అప్పుడు సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటవుతుంది? -5, 1. Now keep y is equal to -1. 0 into -1 0. X plus 0 x. X is equal to -5. ఇక్కడ కూడా x is equal to -5. ఇక్కడ కూడా x is equal to -5. సో నీకు ఆన్సర్స్ ఏమిటి వస్తాయి? -5, -1, -5, -2, -5, 3. These are the solutions. y కి మాత్రమే వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఎందుకని? బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్లాస్ equation is given as x plus 5 is equal to 0. In that y is not there. And we have inserted y on our own. y లేదు, మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం. కాబట్టి y కే వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఎలా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం? 0y అలా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసాం. 0y. కాబట్టి we need to give values only for y. So 0 into 1 0, so x is -5. If you keep y -1 0 into -1 0, so x plus 0 x is equal to -5. So x change over. X will not change. Now these are the solutions. Now we need to plot them in the graph. I will rub all this and only keep only the solutions. Now I will draw the graph, you see. Y, x, x dash, y dash. Now, so this is -5 na? -1, -3, to -3, -4, -5. -5 comma 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. -5 comma 1 here. negative 5 comma negative 1. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 5 comma negative 1 over here. Negative 5 comma 2. Negative 5 comma 3. So if you join these all points, you will get a straight line. You will get a straight line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 5 units from y-axis. You will get a straight line like this. You will get a straight line parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 5 units from y-axis. Okay, children. So this is how we represent a linear equation in one variable in the graph. Converting a linear equation one variable into a linear equation two variable, and after that finding the solutions, then plotting in the graph. Converting a linear equation one variable into two variable, finding the solutions and plotting the graph. Interestingly, linear equation one variable is also a straight line. Linear equation two variable e kaadu, linear equation one variable kuda it is a straight line. But in this particular example, the straight line is parallel to y-axis. In this particular example, the straight line is parallel to y-axis. Okay, na? Now, we will see one more problem. See, y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. A linear equation in one variable. And I want to insert or I want to draw the graph of this equation. Before that, I want to convert it into a linear equation in two variables. How to do it? First, y is equal to 3. There is no x, so keep 0x plus y is equal to 3. This is how we need to convert a linear equation one variable into two variables. Okay. Now, we need to give values for. Can anyone say? Beginning of the problem there is no x, but we inserted x here. Now we need to give values only for x. Give different values for x. Give different values for x. 2, negative 1, 0, negative 3 or 3, whatever it may be. Okay, now find out y. Sorry, yes, you are late. Find out y value. Y value, how much you will get, children? Y value, how much you will get? 3 only. Y value 3 only. Is that right? 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. So solutions are 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 3, 3 comma 3. Now children, draw the graph of it and tell me about the straight line, how it is, how it will be. Draw the graph and tell me. I am giving you the time. 3 units constant y value. Yes. You need to draw the graph. Draw the graph and tell me, are you getting a straight line or not? Are you getting a straight line or not? Tell me first. If you are getting a straight line, how it is? Parallel to x-axis. Correct. You will get a straight line parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 3 units from x-axis. Upward direction or downward direction? ఇలా వస్తుంది మీకు గ్రాఫ్ xx y y dash origin. So suppose this is 3 na, so you will get a straight line like this. You will get a straight line like this. A straight line parallel to x-axis. Correct. You will get a straight line parallel to x-axis. Yeah, above the x-axis. Above the x-axis. Correct. Correct. Upward. That means above the x-axis. Right. Good, children. Now, I am going to give you a question here. Let me see who will do the answer correctly. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 2. These are the two equations. These are the two equations. You need to take 4 solutions for this, any 4 solutions for this, and any 4 solutions for this also. Okay, and both equations you need to draw in the same graph. Both the equations you need to draw in the same graph. Same graph means you are going to get 2 straight lines. Then you need to tell me, number 1, are they intersecting or not? If yes, you need to tell the point where they are intersecting. Are they intersecting? If yes, you need to tell me where they are intersecting. Means you need to tell the point. What is the x coordinate and what is the y coordinate? Second question, if no, means they are not intersecting. Are they parallel? That is also you have to say. Okay, do it. I am giving you the time. Both the equations you need to draw the graph for both the equations, but in the same graph. You need to draw in the same graph. So for this equation you take 4 solutions, and for this equation you take 4 solutions separately. Then plot it in the graph separately in the same graph. Now you need to verify, are they intersecting? You will get 2 straight lines still. You will get 2 straight lines. You need to tell me, are they intersecting or not? If they are intersecting, you need to tell the point of intersection. So if they are not intersecting, you need to say whether they are parallel or not. Okay, children? Now, tell me what are the solutions for the first equation? Solutions for the first equation. 1, 5, correct. 5 comma 1 also correct. 2 comma 4 correct. 3 comma 3 correct. Yeah, good. All these are right. 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 0 comma 6, 6 comma 0. Yeah. So these are the solutions for the first equation. Now, solutions for the second equation. Solutions for the second one. Four comma 2 correct. 3 comma 1 correct. 5 comma 3 correct. 2 comma 0 correct. Yeah. Take 4 solutions for each and draw the graph of. Oh, Surjay, super fast. 4 comma 2 is where they intersect. Surjay, graph done? Very good, Surjay. Graph ainda, Surjay. Very good. Excellent. Sujay is telling that the point of the lines are intersecting at 4 comma 2. Now the remaining student need to confirm that one, whether it is right or wrong. They intersected 4 comma 2. Tejal also saying same. Soryesh, yes sir. What is yes sir, Soryesh? Four comma 2 intersection. You need to say 4 comma 2 is point of intersection. 4 comma 2 is point of intersection. Lines are intersecting at 4 comma 2. Very good. Very good. Now one more question. Draw the graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. Draw the graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. And you have to tell me, after drawing the graph, the line, whether it is intersecting x-axis or not, whether it is intersecting y-axis or not. If they are intersecting x-axis at what point? You need to say the point. If it is intersecting y-axis also, you need to say the point. Understand, children? Draw the graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. After drawing the graph, you need to tell me the line, whether it is intersecting x-axis and y-axis or not. If it is intersecting both x-axis and y-axis, You need to say the point of intersection of x-axis and the point of intersection of y-axis. Means the line where it intersects x-axis, where it intersects, and where it intersects y-axis. You need to tell me. In order to draw the graph, you need to first find the solutions. Na? At least 4 solutions or 3 solutions. Tell me the solutions for this. Zero comma 6 correct. 4 comma 3 correct. 8 comma 0 correct. Now draw the graph. Three comma 4 wrong right? Tanmay. 3 are 9, 4 are 16. 9 plus 16 25, not 24. 3 comma 4 wrong. Tejal says they intersect y-axis at 0 comma 6 and x-axis at 8 comma 0. Tejal, I think everyone is seeing Tejal's answer. Everyone is observing Tejal's answer. Is that right, children? 2 comma 4, 16 plus 6, 22, that is also wrong. Y-axis at 0 comma 8. Then what about x-axis? Point of intersection of x-axis is 8 comma 0. They are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. Good. Intersecting 0 comma 7 wrong. Akshay. Intersecting x-axis at 8 x comma x-axis అంటే x కోఆర్డినేట్ ఉంటుంది y కోఆర్డినేట్ ఉండదు xi the line intersect x-axis at 8 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma 6. It intersects x-axis at 8 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma y. Point on x-axis Akshay x coordinate ఉంటుంది y coordinate 0. X will be there but y 0. And the point on y-axis x coordinate 0. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow, Vijayadashmi, will you join the class? If you join, I will start circles. If you join tomorrow also, I'll start circles. Okay. Akshay Nation, today you send the names of those students who joined today. Send the names of those students who joined today. I don't want the students' name those who didn't join. I want the students' name who joined. Okay. So tomorrow we'll meet again at 8 o'clock. I'm going to start circles. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Maha Ganapati Pataya.